This is a quick demonstration and discussion of the KRAFT log splitter. It's obviously not a substitution for a manual, but just some discussions of our experience with the machine. It's a 7-ton, 110-volt electric log splitter, and it's the WS7T model. What's special about it? A couple of things. We've used other machines, and a couple of problems have always been that they don't use heavy enough steel for the main frame. This thing uses about a 1/4 inch steel for the plate, splitting plate, and it appears based on the weld that they're using a 1/4 inch for the mounting plate as well. This piece of structural steel is quite heavy duty, and it's held up to quite a bit of use without a problem. It's a 176-pound machine, and it's obviously all in the weight of it's because of the weight that they put into the integrity of the machine that it weighs so much. And that's really the shortcoming of some of the lighter units. They're just not durable enough. I've had them, I've snapped welds on some of the Oregon ones. I've snapped the wheels on some of the Oregon ones, the electric Oregon 6-ton machine. And this, I just simply haven't had those problems. Another really cool feature on this machine is that it allows for 2 different speeds for splitting. It allows you to go rabbit fast or elephant slow. The rabbit fast doesn't carry the same amount of splitting power. I think it's 4,000 or 5,000 pounds, but when you put it on elephant, it'll give you the full 7,000 pounds of splitting strength, which is about 12,000 pounds. A couple of things to keep in mind with this machine: whenever you move it, you have to shut the hydraulic valve here, because it has hydraulic fluid in it. In order to run the machine, you have to open the valve so that the hydraulic fluid can breathe and you don't blow a seal. So whenever you start the machine, make sure you open your valve. Running the machine is like any other hydraulic log splitter. It has you putting one finger on a button behind this machine you can't see, and the other hand working this fast or slow option. This is a piece of fur that's 16 inches long. It's about a little over a foot wide, but it'll give you an idea of what the machine can do. You'll also see as I do it, you can change the speed that you split on the fly, so it allows you to close quickly and then drop down to power when you hit the machine. And I'll just start using it right now. You can get a feel for how easy it is to work. So until you lever the machine, that's fast, that's slow. Back to fast again. You can see it's resetting. While you're doing it, you can restart it. Close fast. And that's actually enough on this piece of wood. I just had a guy rent one of these who had been renting electric for years, or gas for years, and he said he'll never go back. And you can see why. And that's on fast split. Let's try that one more time on slow so you can get a feel for what the machine will do. It's heavy enough it can handle you tossing material on it like that without breaking. That's fast again. It's got enough horsepower on this straight grain to go ahead and split it. Let's do it on slow. And that's the full 7 tons right here. You can change it in the middle of things and go faster. Got an auto stop there and resets. Toss another piece on. It's really that easy to use. I highly recommend it. We think it's a great machine, and we hope you like it as much as we do. Thank you.